All right, so here I'm going to show you typing in pH and hydrogen ion concentration conversions using a TI84 calculator, which a lot of you have. If this isn't your model, then go search it on YouTube. I swear somebody will show you how to do it on YouTube, but here are some examples. So let's say I wanted to find pH if my H3O plus concentration was this. And what I need to type in is I need to type in minus the log of that number. Easiest way to do that would be use the change sign button. Log, they put in parentheses, which is always good. Put in my 3.6, and I like to use that EE scientific notation button. It's the easiest way to do scientific notation. Minus 8. That is 3.6. E means times 10 to the minus 8. So now I got that in there, I hit equal, and I'll get a pH of 7.44. Okay. Let's go down below then and let's do this other calculation. All right. Let's say that I'm given a pH and I got to find hydrogen ion concentration, which is defined as 10 to the minus pH. Okay. Again, on this kind of calculator, the easiest way to do it would be to use the 10 caret button. Put in my minus. Notice that this is minus. This isn't subtraction. Okay. I'm going to change the sign. There's a difference between subtraction and changing the sign, which is what I'm doing here. Put in my 10.8 and I'll get that. So I get 1.58. 10 to the minus 11th. Now, just to show you how well this works, let's take this and let's go backwards. Okay, I should be able to do that calculation backwards. So if I take that pH, again, use my 10 caret button, and I do minus, remember minus, not subtraction, minus, change the sign, 7.44. This should give me 3.6, 10 to the minus 8th. And you can see that it does. And there'll be some really observant people out there and say, well, no, it doesn't, because it's 3.63, blah, 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 10 to the minus 8th. Well, remember, we rounded, okay? And so this is some of the, remember, the actual number was this long 7 up here. Good enough for our purposes. That's the same number.